Good morning, students. Welcome to VEPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our first chapter is going on. That is number beyond 9999. Children, in this chapter, we are going through the exercise 1C. We are going to do today question number F and G. In question number F, you have to tell the difference of the place values of 8. As we have done yesterday in question number F, we have to tell the sum of the place values of 5. Here in this question, we have to tell difference of the place values of 8. Difference means subtraction. So we have to write first the place values of both the 8 in the given number, and then we will subtract it. We will subtract the 8 with the smallest place value to the 8 with it is having greatest place value. So we have to subtract the place values of 8 here. So children, after that we will do question number G. So be ready with your copy, classwork copy, maths book and your pen, blue pen and black pen. Those who have not bought their book still, please buy it soon as possible. You can buy it children, so that you can able to start your classwork as well as your homework doing in your fair copy. So let's start doing the question number F and G. So children, this is question number F. Find the difference of the place values of 8 in the given number. So here in first question, you can see it is written 85,218. There are two 8 given, this one is and this one. So first we will write the place values of 8. This 8 is having 10,000. Place value of this 8 is 10,000. So 80,000 we will write. And this 8 is having 1's place value. So we will write here 8. Now we have to take out the difference. So what you will do? You will subtract 8 from 80,000. I have done the rough here. You can see 80,000 minus 8. So 0 can't minus 8. 0 will borrow from the other numbers. So all the numbers are 0 here. This one is 8. So this 8 will give 1 to this 0. It will become 10. Then this 10 will give 1 to this 0. This will become 10 and this will remain 9. Now this 10 will give 1 to this 0. This 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Again this 10 will give 1 to this 0. This 0 will become 10 and this will remain 9. Now 10 minus 8 will be 2. This is 9 here. We will write 9. This one is 9. And the remaining one I am talking about. So don't get confused. This is the sum of, this is the question of borrowing. So this will remain 9 also. Here we will write 9. Here also we will write 9 and 8 will remain 7. After giving 1 to all these 0, it will remain 7. So 79,992 will be the answer. Here you can see 79,992 is the answer. In question number 2, two 8's are given. So this 8 is having the place value 1000. So we will write here 8,000. This 8 is having 10's place value. So we will write 80. 8,000 minus 80. Now here the rough column is done. 0, 0, 0. Again this 8 will give 1 to this 0. This will become 0 and this will remain. This 8 will remain 7. Again this 10 will give 1 to this 0. This will be 10 now and this will remain 9. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. 9 we will write 9 and 8 will remain 7. We will write 7 here. 7,900 20 will be the answer. Here you can see it is written 7,920. In question number 3, 4,68,382. This 8 is having 8,000 place value, so we will write 8,000, and this 8 is having tens place value, so we will write here 80. This is the same as it is done in question number 2, 8,000 minus 80. Here also 8,000 minus 80. So the answer will be same here, 7,920. Clear it is? Now let's see question number 4. Question number 4 is 9,08,038. This 8 is having 1000 place value, so we will write here 8,000. This 8 is having 1's place value, we will write 8. 8,000 minus 8, what will become? 8,000 minus 8. Now it will borrow 1 from here, it will become 10. This 10 will give 1 to this 0, this will become 10 and this will remain 9. This 10 will give 1 to this 0, this will become 10 and this will remain 9. Now 10 minus 8 will be 2, 9 will be 9, 9 will be 9 and 8 will remain 7. So we will write here 7. 7,992 will be the answer of 8,000 minus 8. As you can see here, it is written 7,992. So these are the 4 questions of question number F. Now let's see question number G. In question number G, what is given? In each of the following number, write the digits which has the greatest place value. Here, the digit with the greatest place value we have to write. Here in question number 1, 75,321. Obviously, 7 is having the greatest place value, that is 10,000. So, it will be 70,000 and the digit is 7. So, 7 is having the greatest place value in question number 1. In same way, the first number, or we can say the first digit, is having the greatest place value obviously. So, in question number 2, 9,85,016. So, 9 is having the place value of lakh, that is 9 lakh, and 9 is the digit which is having greatest place value. Third question is 2,01,986. Obviously, 2 is having the place value of lakh, 2 lakh that is, and 2 is the digit with the greatest place value. In question number 4, 1,05,378. 1 is having the place value lakh, that is 1 lakh, and 1 is the digit with the greatest place value. So these are the 4 questions of question number G. Today's classwork, I will send you the picture of question number F and G for doing in your classwork copy, and in your homework you have to repeat the same questions in your rough copy for practicing. Clear? As your homework, you have to practice. You have to repeat question number F and G in your rough copy for practicing. Thank you and have a nice day, children.